Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make a Facebook account private. So if you are concerned regarding your privacy on Facebook and you want your account to be private, then in this video I'll show you how easily you can do it. So at first, you just have to simply open your Facebook app, and once the app gets open, you will see the three lines on your right side. You have to simply click onto these three lines, and then from there you have to click on settings and privacy, which is at the bottom. Then click on the first option, settings. Then after that, you have to scroll down and you will find this section, audience and visibility. You have to click on its first option, then click on lock your profile. This process will just take a while, and after that it will take you this page. You have to click on OK. That means your profile is now locked. So now you have to simply get to your about section where you have written all of your information. If any, in case you have add any information that is on public and you get it, you just have to simply get it to private or maybe to friends, and once you do so your account will be private. So that's how you can make Facebook account private. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.